So I joined the Apprenti program back in April of 2020, and I recently accepted a full-time position as a SDE1 at Amazon back in May of this year, so a little bit over a month. So I joined the Apprenti program through a rather strange situation. My friends and family thought I was crazy. I was working as a GS employee at a federal agency doing cybersecurity, and I left all that behind to go learn how to be a software engineer at Apprenti. Apprenti afforded me the opportunity for the first time in my life to actually do what I wanted to do at work instead of just kind of doing whatever paid the bills. Before Apprenti, I joined the Marine Corps. That was another situation of just it kind of paid the bills. I didn't really know what I wanted to do when I was 18. When I got out of the Marine Corps, the next natural transition was government work, just because it was easier to get into. I was familiar with it, but it wasn't really what I wanted to do. And I just kept eventually changing jobs over and over again until the Apprenti program came around. I learned about it, and then I ended up doing AWS as an apprentice, and I've loved it so far. I came into the Amazon program, so my experiences might be a little bit different. But if you're considering the Apprenti program or are already in the Apprenti program, the key piece of advice I can give to you is that your success is directly related to how much effort and energy you put into the program. If you go into it with the same mindset from the military, where if you give 110% and you really learn as much as you physically can, you'll get that same 110% back from Apprenti and the program. Another piece of advice is don't be afraid to break things. A lot of people, apprentices and not, are really afraid to break things in production. Don't be. When you break things, you learn, and next time when that situation comes up, you'll know how to fix it. If you have an on-call rotation, which might not be the case at all programs, I really suggest trying to get shadow on-call or trying to see how it works very early on. It shows your management that you're not afraid of challenges and you're not afraid of learning new things under pressure. If you never stop learning, give 110% to everything, and are extremely direct with your management about your goals and where you want to be in the next year, 2 years, I think you'll do really good in the Apprenti program. It's changed my life completely, and I think it can change yours too if you know how to manage it correctly. This is about all the time I have, so I'm going to head off, and I hope everyone has a great 4th of July.